Hello friends and dear students. Myself PRAJAPATI, Senior Lecturer in Electrical Engineering Department, PATEL Polytechnic, ISROLI AFWA. Course Diploma in Electrical Engineering, Semester 4. Subject Polyphase Transformer and Rotating AC Machines. Topic Synchronization of alternator with infinite bus bar. In this topic, student will be able to understand what is bus bar, what is infinite bus bar, why synchronization is required, condition for synchronization of alternator, procedure for connecting alternator with infinite bus bar, and 3 dark lamp method to check the phase difference. Bus bars. A well-known definition of bus bar is nothing but a junction to which numbers of incoming and outgoing lines operating at the same voltage is connected. Bus bars conduct electricity. Its main purpose is to conduct a substantial current of electricity and not to function as a structural member. Bus bar is also important components in electrical power system because they reduce the power loss via reducing the corona effect. This is because of bus bar have bigger surface area compared to wires, which reduce the resistance and reduce the losses. Infinite bus bars is same as bus bar, but it represents a system of large capacity whose frequency and phase as well as magnitude of voltage are not affected even if there is a variation in excitation system of the alternator. This is the simplified figure of bus bar in which copper lines indicate the bus bar of different phases. We can see number of incoming and outgoing lines are connected here. Why parallel operation of alternator is required? If we don't synchronize the alternators, then different alternators run at different speeds. So, with the variation in load, the reliability of the system is reduced. So, for smooth operation of alternator, synchronization is necessary. For making alternator synchronized with infinite bus bars, we have to satisfy some conditions. The terminal voltage of incoming machines, or you can say alternator and bus bar, must be same. The frequency of incoming machine and bus bar must be same. Phase sequence of incoming machines and bus bar must be same. The phase difference between same phases of incoming machine and bus bar must be 0. For satisfying all the conditions, we have to connect the alternator in proper way. Here the simplified diagram of alternator is shown, in which excitation system is also provided. Right hand side, the bus bar terminals are connected. Switch is kept open before the synchronization. For checking all the parameters in the condition, we have to connect voltmeter for measuring voltage, frequency meter for measuring frequency, phase sequence indicator for checking phase sequence. For satisfying all the condition, all the equipments are connected, and by satisfying all the conditions, we can switch on for connecting alternator with infinite bus bar. The most important factor that is to be checked is phase difference between same phases of alternator and bus bar. For that, we have to check the phasor diagram of phase voltage for both incoming machine and bus bar. In figure, we can see the phasor diagram of each phases of incoming machine and bus bar. If generator frequency is slightly more than that of the bus, then the phasors are anticlockwise relative to the incoming machines. So there is a voltage across the lamp L1, L2 and L3 which increases and decreases simultaneously, and due to that all the lamps are brighten up and darken at the same time. If the phase sequence of incoming machines and bus bar, the phasor diagram will be shown in next slide. Here we can see that all the phases or phase sequence of incoming machines and bus bar is not same. In this condition, the lamps go through their zero voltage one after another. So the phase sequence are thus different and can be corrected by interchanging any two terminals either on the generator side or on the bus side. After making phase sequence corrected, we can have a large frequency variation, then it is to be identified by checking the continuous darken and brighten of the lamp. By adjusting the speed of the generator, the rapid changes in brighten and darken is reduced. So by doing all this procedure, we will be able to correct the voltage, frequency, phase sequence and phase difference. The correct moment of synchronization in this method is when all the lamps are completely dark, at which time all the voltages of the bus bar exactly in phase with the corresponding voltages of the generator. At this moment the synchronizing switch is closed and the generator is synchronized with the mains. Thank you.